Solution awareness questions. These questions involve your prospect and their ideas that causes them to emotionally attach themselves to solving their problem and doing that now with you. Let me give you a specific industry-specific example so you can see it in action, all right? So let's say in this example that you sell life insurance. Okay, let's suppose that we're able to get you a policy that has the preventative benefits and the nationwide network so that you could get the preventative care taken care of and know that when something big did happen to you, you would be completely covered financially. Knowing that was there, what would that do for you guys? Oh, it would do this, it would do that, it would do this. Okay, but what would it do for you personally? Boom, emotional state. Now, the cost of not asking solution awareness questions and understanding where to go is it means your prospects never see or feel what their future is going to look like and feel like. Because of that, they don't have the urgency to buy from you now. And then when that happens, they start saying what? I want to think it over. I need to keep looking around. I need to price shop. I need to do more research. And then you go into chase mode trying to convince them to buy. You don't have to keep doing that.